Today's video is a handy little DIY guide for people that want to make storage for their screws, nuts, bolts, and other small tools that are super easy to lose. It's especially easy to lose things like these when you regularly work with tools, which is why we are going to show you a DIY method you can use to store these things separately. You can even name each storage so that you know what is inside each one of them. So, let's get started with this guide so you can make these for yourself. For this, you are going to need a pipe as big as this one, which is around 12 to 15 inches long. You will also need a couple of cable clips, one of which you are going to put at the top of the pipe like we have done here. Then, you will need to put the other one on the bottom. Now place these against a wall like we are doing here. And hammer it inside so that it perfectly sticks in place. After you have the pipe in place, get an end cap like the one we are holding here, as you will be needing it for the process. Use a marker to make a spot on one side of the end cap, just as we have. You need to use a drill to make a hole at this spot. Make sure that the hole is not too large and that it is completely clean. Now get another cable clip and insert it into the hole you just made inside of your end cap. Make sure to tighten the cable clip as well as possible, so that it does not come loose or break later on. Now make sure to place a nut on the inside, as that will make it even harder for the cable clip to get loose. One of these storage compartments is now ready. You can make as many of these as you want, depending on your use. Since our end cap storage compartment is ready, we can use the cable clip to attach it to the pipe you placed on the wall. We have attached 2 of these compartments to our pipe and can now easily store screws, nuts, bolts, and other small equipment inside without the fear of losing it. Plus, you can also move the compartments around to left or right so that it is easier for you to access each one. It is just as easy to put the compartments back in their place and label each of them so that you know what's inside them. We hope that you like this DIY screw storage method and that it makes it easier for you to store your small equipment from now on.